came across this remains of an old combine. Part of it's made of wood. Pretty cool. Just found this old dump where there's an old combine and other stuff, and I just found this. And an old shovel. Ooh. And an old thingy. And some old got this. Yeah, we'd like to find some old bottles out here. That's probably part of an old wagon. Here's another piece. Not sure what this is. So this could be part of the old combine where the wheat came out and they tied the sacks. Okay, so these are old straw walkers to the combine. And I got this thing. Another piece of old wagon or something. Got another horn. Check it out. Maybe it's from last year.
These were a few things we saw while driving around the side-by-side. Join me in these other videos to see some more treasure hunting on this old ranch. And if you haven't yet, please consider subscribing and smash that like button. Thank you so much for watching.